in Telford today, and there's this wall of, I don't know what you call it, things you push one side and then like someone can push from the other side. And I was just thinking about it, and I was wondering, like, no matter how hard you try to push it in one way, someone is always going to come along and try to force it. But I guarantee you, if I push one of them, it's the one that someone wants to push. Oh wait, not there. Let's go here. Oh, maybe we'll get away with it. And at the moment I start, there you go. There is always someone that wants to push back. And it's not that it's the one they were choosing, it's that they know that's where someone else is. So they want to also push back there. And it's like they just follow you around just to annoy. And this sums up the internet. Trolls. People do it just to annoy you. They didn't want to do it until you went to that area. And then, of course, so yes, this will go on forever. And even if there's no one here, I guarantee you someone will turn up just to push it on the other side. So yes, we're in Telford Central, and I don't know what this is called, but I think it's interesting and I like it. Let's just see if we can get away with 4. Oh, maybe get away with some of them. Can we do this little square? I think we're able. We're winning. We're winning. I mean, they're going from the other side. That's anarchy there. Someone's actually taking them in from the other side. But yeah. Oh, of course. Naturally. 1? Oh, of course. Of course. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here because I'll be here all day just trying to complete a side and get Tetris or something. Catch you on the next one.